Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2019. First of all, happy anniversary to my parents. Just want to throw that out there. Not sure if they watched or not. Thanks, Carson, for the round of applause. In homework tonight in math, regular math, we got practice 3.1 and practice 3.3 for honors math. There are some students that need to finish their math test from chapter 2. Make sure you take care of that in Warrior time tomorrow. In science, we've got a structure of matter assignment for all classes except for first period. In social studies, we have an early humans form to fill out on Classroom. Please make sure that you read the article that goes along with that because all the answers are found within the article. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, we have our Seed Folks vocabulary. This matching activity is due at the start of class tomorrow. Our typed written vocabulary of all 33 sentences, that is due in class on Monday. With that assignment, you are not able to use a homework pass. A reminder that tomorrow, Thursday, is an early dismissal day for students. So students in the middle school will be let out at 1:52. Friday, there is no school for students as we have a student in-service day. Just a couple other things here, wrapping up. In science class, we listened to this awesome song today called Inside an Atom. This is the chorus here. If you can come to school tomorrow, or on Monday and sing this chorus without looking at the lyrics to Miss Falk or myself, you will earn some extra credit points in science. And one last thing before we wrap it up, I want to give a shout out to Avery Eldridge and the rest of the boys who I know are sitting here watching and following along. Everyone take care and have a great Wednesday.